How to sell meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to guide you through the process of selling meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is open your Phantom Wallet application and you'll be redirected to the home page. Now here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see an option of compass. In Android devices, you'll be able to see a globe, and in iOS, you'll be able to see Explorer. The options might change when you are watching this video. So just click on this Explore section at the bottom right. And here you can search for the sites, tokens, and URL. Scroll down till you find Jupiter. If you're not able to find Jupiter, you can just type down Jupiter over here and just click on this Jupiter. So once you click on Jupiter, you'll be redirected to another interface of Jupiter where you can sell your meme coins. Now over here, you need to click on this combo box and select the meme coin which you wish to sell. You can select Solana, USDC, USDT. So here, let us select USDT. And now you have to connect your wallet before that. So in order to connect your wallet, what you have to do is either click on wallet over here, or you can even click connect wallet here, and then you'll be redirected to another interface of wallets and just select Phantom over there. And once you select Phantom, you will be redirected to an interface like this which contains your portfolio and activity. Once it's connected, you can just click on this cross and go back. So now over here you have to type down the amount you have. For example, I'm typing down 100. Now I don't really have the sufficient funds in order to sell, but if you do have here, it will be written confirm. And after a while, you'll be able to see that you have successfully sold your meme coins. So that is basically how you can sell your meme coins on Phantom Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.